Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious poblano shrimp recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting roasted the poblano peppers. You really want to put them right on the flame. Get the skin nice and roasted. And once these are completely roasted from both sides, you're going to have ready a baggie. So you could put them inside a bag, let them sweat so that it's easy to remove the skin. Yes. This part is very important, getting them nice and roasted. So when you're ready to remove the skin comes out easily. So here, this is ready, and let's continue with this amazing recipe. I have one small onion that I'm going to cut in half and then in little strips. We're going to remove the skin. We're going to start chopping away. And let me tell you, this recipe is so delicious, so versatile. You could enjoy it in burritos, enjoy it in quesadillas, enjoy it in tacos, enjoy it in pasta, enjoy it in so many different ways. And of course, you could find all the ingredients very easy to find in your supermarket. Once you're done with your onion, you're going to transfer it to a plate, and then you're going to continue with your 3 garlic cloves. I am going to smash them, wake them up, and then I am going to dice away. When you smash them, it's very easy to remove the skin. So that's why I love smashing them and waking up all that flavor of the garlic. And here I'm just going to dice away nice and small, and then I am ready to transfer to the same plate where the onion is. And then I'm going to continue with the poblano peppers. Let me tell you how to remove the skin. How easy. Of course, you could do it whichever way is easier for you. There's a lot of people that use napkins to remove the skin. Other people do it by hand. Other people do it like I'm going to do, which is very easy, removing the seeds first and then opening them up so they start getting nice at room temperature, because as you could see, they're still nice and hot. So here, very careful, I'm going to remove the stem and remove the skin. Once I remove it, I am ready to cut in the middle, open the poblano pepper, removing the seeds. And these poblano peppers didn't have too much seeds. Once this is done, flip them over and with the knife, scrape off the skin. Look how easy this is. They're nice and clean. Very easy to remove the skin. As you could see, the poblano peppers are still nice and hot. They're still al dente. They're not cooked. They're just roasted from the outside, but they're not cooked. You don't want to over roast them, because then you're going to cook them. So as soon as the skin gets nice and golden roasted, remove them. And here I'm just going to slice away. I'm cutting through the half of the chili poblano and then dicing away. I have all my ingredients. Remember, salt, black pepper, chicken bouillon, butter, the shrimp that's been deveined, cleaned, and the rest of the ingredients. I always like to say salt, black pepper, and chicken bouillon to taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to cook the onion until it's getting nice and golden brown. Once it's getting golden brown, I'm ready to add the garlic, the diced garlic. Once I add the diced garlic, I'm going to incorporate it, and then I'm ready to start adding the corn. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of corn. I love corn, so I'm adding enough corn. I'm going to add 1 cup and a half of sour cream, incorporated really good. I'm going to add my poblano sliced, incorporated, and then I am ready to add the shrimp. I'm adding the shrimp towards the end because I really want the shrimp to just cook, not overcook. Be still nice and moist and juicy. I'm adding the salt, the black pepper, the chicken bouillon. I'm incorporating everything. Once the shrimp is pink, you're ready to serve, ready to enjoy in so many different ways. But let me tell you, don't overcook your shrimp. You want the shrimp to be juicy, soft, moist, not rubbery. When you overcook the shrimp, it gets really hard. It gets nice and rubbery, and it's not delicious at all. So here my mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And it's nice and pink, and I am ready to enjoy it as is. Look at this. Very few ingredients. The taste is going to be amazing, and this recipe is perfect for Lent. So now I'm ready to plate. I'm ready to enjoy. I'm ready for the presentation. And to tell you the truth, this smells amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, this is going to be my plate so I could taste it and enjoy it nice and hot. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing shrimp poblano recipe. Let me tell you, you could enjoy it just like this. You could enjoy it in steamed rice, in Mexican rice, in amazing pasta, or you could enjoy it in tacos. You decide. But here, I just want to taste it as is. Of course, the shrimp is cooked to perfection. It's not overcooked. It's still nice and juicy, nice and creamy. And this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. Let me tell you, the shrimp is so juicy, nice and tender. Just perfection, made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing poblano shrimp recipe. See you soon. Bye-bye.